PowerDirector 13 lets you sync timeline clips by audio. You can create a MultiCam collage from up to 100 cameras. Let's see how it works. Drag the clips from the media room to the timeline, one at a time. Place one clip per track. Use the keyboard and type Ctrl-A to select all the timeline clips, or click and drag a selection rectangle over the clips you want to synchronize. The Sync by Audio button now appears. Now click it. PowerDirector will then synchronize all the clips and will place the clip that starts first at the beginning of the timeline. Syncing occurs almost immediately with short clips, but will take longer if you have clips with very large file sizes or long run lengths. Here's a tip. If you know approximately where your long clips will overlap, you can trim them down temporarily, and the audio sync will work much faster. Once they are synced, go ahead and restore as much of the clips as you need. If you have additional clips from each camera, sync one set first before adding additional clips before or after. For this scene, we have a close-up of the singer on track 1 and two wide clips from each side of the stage on tracks 2 and 3. As with all multi-track projects, you may want to uncheck the Enable/Disable button on the higher numbered tracks to see the clips on lower numbered tracks. We'll start with the singer, and then use cross transitions to bring in the other clips in layers. Set the duration to 4 seconds for a gracefully. Next, we'll use keyframes to shrink and pull the wide views to the side. Adding the new blue auto pan effect brings in some motion to keep the wide clips interesting. Use Setup View to set the start and end zoom levels and positions. A simple way to show multicam clips is to use a split screen. Sync the clips and select the sections you want. Then change the video position and use a mask to show each clip on half of the screen. Move the clip on track 1 to center the action. You can also drop in an effect like New Blue flying picture-in-picture. Click Disable Animation if you want it to stay in one place. Add a background, a title, and some text, and you're all set. With any project, once the clips are synced, you can copy them and place multiple copies anywhere in the timeline. You can even do things like slow motion and mirroring while keeping the clips in sync. Bring all your clips together easily with PowerDirector 13.